Hi, my name is James and I work for Capital Plumbing. I'm currently in the suburb Ashmore and doing a job regarding a broken shower head. First of all, I'm completing my JSA before commencing work. Well, let's jump inside and see what we have to deal with. So I've attended site and found the shower head to be completely snapped off. What I'm going to do is remove the locking nut of the shower head and replace with the new one. What I'm also going to do is replace the cover plate due to it's a little bit tarnished and could do with a replacement. I'll further remove the cover plate and now I'm just going to remove the remaining Teflon. I installed a new cover plate, it looks very beautiful. Further proceed with using a bit of Teflon and now replacing with the new shower head. So what I have accomplished today is replacing a faulty broken shower head with the new shower head. We're going to test for correct operation and leaks. No signs of leaks. Always clean up the job site after completing work.